today, so I'm making a roti or some rotis. What you need for the rotis is the following. Need some flour, cocoa flour. Add some salt. Add a bit of virgin oil then, extra virgin oil. About 1 tablespoon is 1/3 of a cup of water. Then what you're gonna do, mix it up until all the dough is formed. You can use a fork or you can use your hands. I just find it easier to use your fork for the first part, so it's less wet. And then eventually use my hands to kneading the dough together. Let me know how you do it at home and how it turns out. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and share to Benji's Foods. I have plenty more recipes coming up. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just bring the dough together and blend it all in. Make sure that it gets to a nice consistency. As you can see, it's slowly going into a little ball. Just knead it in. It's not like a dumpling where you have to be careful how you knead it. It's a roti. You can be flattened out eventually anyway, so shouldn't be no problems. Look at that now. There you go. Got your dough ready for the next process. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put some flour onto the chopping board and then you're gonna put it onto the plate. Apply some flour onto the dough so it doesn't stick to the board when you're rolling it with a pin. So what you're going to do now is going to start flattening the dough. So you're going to use a knife and then cut the dough to the size of a roti. Then you're going to apply some oil onto the dough. Okay, so now you're going to roll the dough, like you can see. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into a ball and put it onto the plate. Then you're going to carry out the same process for the remaining dough. Now they're done and they're ready for the next part of the process. Okay, so now what you're going to do is going to put some flour onto the board again. So what you're going to do now is use the rolling pin to form a circle so it's ready for the pan. So what I'm going to do now is turn the pan on into a medium heat, and then I'm going to add some oil onto the pan, which is totally optional. I just prefer to do it as it gives it a better taste. So what you're going to do is going to take the roti and put it into the pan. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some oil on the top of the roti. Now this is totally optional. Now as you can see, the roti will start to rise in some parts, and what you're going to do now is when it's like that, it's going to flip it. Now I've used a spoon, however you can use a spatula, which will probably be more effective. Apply some more oil on the other side. Then you're going to flip the roti again.
Yeah, boy.
Now it's ready to take off the pan. Then you're going to carry out the same process for the remaining dough. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Now the rotis are ready for your meal. The rotis go well with some curry and rice. Now I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you very soon.